Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to duplicate a page in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Firstly go to start menu. Here we'll type Word, then click on Microsoft Word, open it, click on blank document, or if you want have any saved document, open it. Now firstly the simple way is copy and paste. It's best and easiest, like anything on this page, then press enter to next page. Now you will need to control A to select all, control C, then go to the next page, press control V. Here we will type. Next is duplicate a full page using navigation pane, then click on view. Here you will select navigation like this. This method is used for long documents. Select all text that page, copy and paste it where you need it. Duplicate a blank page. For this, we are going to insert. Here you will see cover page, blank page, page break. We will click on blank page. Here you will see a new page will be generated. And that's it. Now you know how to duplicate any page in Microsoft Word easily. If this video helped you, press the like button, subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.